All right, there's more breaking news that's coming in. CPM protests are taking place against the nuclear agreement that has been signed between India and Japan. CPM leaders are reminding the government of Japan's Fukushima disaster. Their argument is that the government is turning India into a dumping ground for dangerous nuclear technology.
Huge expense we are going to incur by getting nuclear power plants to be established in different parts of the country. This will lead to not only very expensive power, but also risk for the environment, for safety and possibility of accidents like in Fukushima.
Joining me on the phone line is India Today's Atir Khan. Atir, we can see a lot of protests that's happening in Delhi against this India-Japan nuclear deal. Can you give us more details on this protest?
Well, you see, the left parties have been in principle against this nuclear deal. If you recall, in UPA 1 tenure, the left had withdrawn support on this issue at the time of US-Indo nuclear deal. So, in principle, they are against it, and they are of the view that unless the nuclear liability bill is signed, there are enough safeguards, it should not happen. And they are also of the view that nuclear fuel would be more expensive than the conventional fuel. So, this is the stand which the left parties have been taking, and that is why this protest today.
But also they are protesting against, they are giving the example of what happened during the tsunami that had destructed the Fukushima nuclear plant, saying that something similar can this happen with India if this deal which has now been signed between India and Japan.
Well, that's right. That is their point of view, and they have also quoted Fukushima nuclear disaster. But that is the view they have taken, and that's why they say that there should be nuclear, liability first, and there should be enough checks and balances to ensure that there is no mishap in this connection. So they are just maintaining that stand which they have been taking in the past.